Today we are going to talk about Jupiter in our planet in the first house series or Lagna or Ascendant. Jupiter is also known as Brihaspati. Jupiter is considered guru of all the Devtas, and we are going to talk about its results, uh, significance, and first house. So let's first talk about what is Lagna, Ascendant, or significance of first house. Lagna or the first house represents the sign rising from the eastern horizon at the time of your birth. So this sign in your first house is the sign rising from the eastern horizon at time of your birth. Uh, First house represents your health, your physics, your height, personality, skin complexion, your public image, all those things, based on the planet present in the house. Whatever planets are present in this house, malefic, benefic, functional malefic, or functional benefic. Based on that, your current life and past life karma is decided, your upbringing, how it will happen, that is decided. How easy your life would be, how how lucky you would be, how many frustrations you would deal with, all those things are handled via this house. Now about planet Jupiter. So planet Jupiter is quite strong in the first house. It has a directional strength. Jupiter has directional strength in first house. Uh, when present in seventh house, Jupiter is not that comfortable. It's weak. That is the directional weakness for Jupiter. Uh, Signs which are owned via Jupiter are Sagittarius and Pisces, and sign of exaltation where Jupiter or Brihaspati is exalted is Cancer, which is ruled by a moon. Jupiter and moon are quite friendly with each other. That's why uh, Jupiter is exalted in Cancer. Then sign of debilitation, sign number 10, Capricorn. Jupiter is not comfortable in this position and it's functional malefic in this sign and it would give uh, results of debilitation. Then friends for Jupiter are Sun, Moon, and Mars. These three planets are friendly with Jupiter. Mercury and Venus are Jupiter enemies. They don't work well with Jupiter. If there is some conjunction between Mercury uh, or Jupiter or Venus or Jupiter, that combination would reduce good or beneficial results from Jupiter. Saturn is neutral with Jupiter. Uh, both of these planets are kind of like planets of justice. It's just the way they approach their justice is different. Jupiter is a teacher, it tries to teach you, and Saturn, it's kind of like Lord of Justice. It also tries to teach you, but in a more tougher way, more stricter way. Then Vishmottari Dasha. Vimshottari Dasha for Jupiter is 16 years. If you are going through Jupiter Mahadasha, it will go for 16 years. Then about planet Jupiter, majorly Jupiter is considered a benefic planet. It is considered guru for devatas, and it tries to teach you. It gives you wisdom if positioned in first house. The basic nature of Jupiter is wherever it's sitting, it would try to expand feature of that location or of that house. Jupiter is generally a significator of wealth, knowledge, and happiness in personal chart. It is Karka of Sukha, uh, and it would signify all these three things in a person's chart. Now let's talk about Jupiter in first house or Lagna. When it's sitting in friendly signs, when it's a functional benefic for a chart or for the ascendant, these are the results that Jataka would have or the person would have. A benefic Jupiter in first house is very auspicious position, like it's a Panchama Purush Yoga. It would give a person health, wealth, and knowledge all together, three important things to make your life easy, make a have a good luck and auspicious life altogether. Because it's a guru. Jupiter generally tends to create some sort of religious or philosophical inclinations to a person because it's sitting in the first house, as first house is person's a person himself, person's mindset, thinking pattern, and all those things. So it affects person's religious behavior as well as philosophical inclinations. From here, Jupiter has three aspects. It would look at fifth house, it would look at seventh house, as well as ninth house. Now, what are the results of this three aspects? Fifth house aspect improves investment, earning, and relationship with kids because it's looking at fifth house, the house of your progeny as well as investments. A benefic position Jupiter in first house would improve your investments, your earning, uh, as well as it will improve health and luck of your kids too. Now, a benefic Jupiter sitting in first house when it aspects at seventh house, it would improve your business earning, your business relationships, your partnerships, and all those things. It also gives good results in marital relationships. Ninth house, when Jupiter is aspecting ninth house from first house as a benefic, it would improve your luck because ninth house is house of luck and karma, as well as it would give good results or outcomes of your long distance journeys. Long distance journeys done with some sort of aim would get fulfilled, and your reason for or the aim due to which you would do that long distance journeys, you would get success in them. Those aims would get fulfilled. The other thing is because it's sitting in first house and it tries to expand the house or the significances of that house, it would try to accumulate fat in your body during your lifespan, generally during your adult age after 30 35. If a benefic Jupiter is sitting in first house, you would see your body nature would see increase in fat accumulation. So you should keep a check on your diet. If you have first house benefic Jupiter position, you should try to keep check on your cholesterol, keep check on your liver health and all those things, uh, because uh, if there are no other aspects or no other combinations or conjunctions, a benefic Jupiter in first house tend to accumulate fat in body. Now, Jupiter in the first house in enemy signs or functional malefic. A malefic Jupiter in first house generally has a negative effect on your health, wealth, and wisdom. It would try to give you frustrations in your wisdom. Generally, whatever you feel like it's correct, or the wisdom you share, or the suggestions you provide tend to backfire, tend to give negative impact. So, this position generally it's suggested that you do keep uh, whatever you are thinking, whatever you are suggesting, you keep check on your health, you keep check on your wealth. Like if you are investing in somewhere, you should use a broker instead of directly deciding yourself that where you should invest. You should check whatever you are going to suggest or whatever you are going to finalize. You should discuss with others so that you can confirm that whatever you are going to decide, uh, you are doing it right and you can feel confident about deciding or finalizing those things. Uh, because of a malefic position, your metabolism tend to get slower way earlier. Sometimes while you are very young age, you start accumulating fat, so you should keep check on that. Then malefic position in first house or enemy sign for Jupiter has a nature of meddling with other people's lives. Like you would try to interfere with someone else, thinking, you would try to change their mindset. Those things happen with this person. You should keep check on those behaviors and try to improve them. uh, there tend to be some sort of either with elderly people or people with same age, some sort of ego clashes. So or with people of higher authority, you would have some ego clashes if Jupiter is malefic or functional malefic and sitting in first house. So you should keep check on that. All these aspects, more of them are like wisdom related or behavioral related. So doing good meditation, yoga, and pranayama should give you good results and improve your thinking pattern, because Jupiter in a sense, when sitting in first house, would impact your wisdom, your mindset, the way you think and all. So doing pranayam, doing meditation would improve those things. Now let's talk about mantra for Jupiter. Beej mantra for Jupiter to improve its results, improve karma related to it. Reciting this mantra 108 times on any Thursday would improve results related to Jupiter. The mantra is as follows: Om Gram Greem Grom Saha Guruve Namah. I will repeat it once again. Om Gram Greem Grom Saha Guruve Namah. And let's see what donations you can do related to Jupiter. Donating yellow clothes, saffron, donating turmeric, donating gold or gold plated utensils improve results related to Jupiter. Any yellow flower, any yellow food product, donating them also improves Jupiter results. Also, donating money or serving food to blind orphanage improves Jupiter results or Jupiter significance in your chart. So these are the significances of Jupiter in first house, either benefic or malefic. And even if it's malefic, there are things which you can do to improve it, like doing yoga, pranayama, like doing this, reciting this Beej mantra 108 times on any Thursday, or donating products, food products, utensils, or flowers uh, related to Jupiter. I hope this helps. Thank you.